Welcome to Nutrient Fusion, where we explore the best ways to nourish your body from the inside out. In today's video, we'll be sharing simple, effective ways to support your body's natural detoxification process. Hydration is key to detoxification. Drinking enough water helps flush toxins from your body, particularly through the kidneys. Aim for at least 8 cups a day and consider adding herbal teas like dandelion root or ginger to boost detoxification. Eating nutrient-rich, whole foods supports your liver and digestive system. Focus on plenty of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods are packed with antioxidants and fiber that help eliminate waste and reduce inflammation. Your liver is your body's main detox organ. Foods like garlic, turmeric, and beets can help improve liver function and assist in processing toxins. Green tea is also a great addition for its liver-supporting properties. Exercise not only keeps your body fit but also helps improve circulation and supports your lymphatic system. Activities like yoga, jogging, or even a quick rebounding session can stimulate toxin removal through sweat. Getting enough sleep is essential for detoxification. During deep sleep, your body works to repair cells and eliminate waste products, so make sure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of rest each night. To reduce your toxin load, limit processed foods, avoid smoking, and choose natural cleaning products. Small changes like these can help your body focus more on eliminating toxins than dealing with new ones. A healthy gut is key to efficient detoxification. Include probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, or fermented vegetables to support your microbiome. Healthy digestion helps eliminate waste effectively. Stress can slow down detox processes, so make stress management a priority. Try mindfulness, meditation, or simply walking in nature to reduce stress levels and support your body's detox functions. Stimulate your lymphatic system with dry brushing or Epsom salt baths. These techniques help to promote circulation and eliminate toxins through your skin. Supporting your body's natural detoxification is simple when you prioritize hydration, nutrition, exercise, and stress management. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips here on